श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी
शतारिणी
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। जय श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please make me co-host?
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Mukund.
Hare Krishna everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, this is Suraj.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Sojasvi.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Jagdish.
Hare Krishna
Mataji, this is Jahnavi.
Hare Krishna. So we are already done with the prayers, right? So we will start with our new verses. So from yesterday we started learning new verses, right?
Yes, Mataji.
You all remember?
Yes, Mataji.
So I will say and then you all please repeat. Ashvatta sarva vrikshanam.
Ashvatta sarva vrikshanam.
Ashvatta sarva vrikshanam.
Ashvatta sarva vrikshanam.
देवर्षीणां च नारदः देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः Very good. So you all raise your hands who all want to recite it, and then we'll. Yes, you all raise your hands. Yes, you all raise your hands. I will give you all in sequence. Is that okay? Yes, Janvi. Yes, you will also get a chance. I see only 2 hands raised. Can you all raise hands in the participants list? You all know the option, right?
Yes,
Is
Mataji.
Is there anyone new, completely new today? Okay, I will give you a chance now. Ramachandra, Mukund, Akshita, can you three go ahead?
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Ashwata sarva vrikshanam devarshinaam cha narada gandharvanam chitraratah siddhanam kapilo muni. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, very good. Brinda, Advait, and Janvi, can you go? 3 of you.
Okay, Mataji.
Sarva vrikshanam kapilo muni.
Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi. Thank you,
Very
Mataji.
good, very nice. Mokshit, Kavya, Rishikesh, please go ahead.
Ashwatha sarva vrikshanam devarshinaam cha narada gandharvanam chitraratah siddhanam kapilo muni. Thank you, Mataji.
Narada Gandharvanam Chitratah Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi.
Very good, Kavya. Very nice. So nice to see you, Kavya. Okay. So, Samskruti, Ojasvi, is that Balram?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Go ahead, 3 of you, go ahead.
Ashwatha sarva vrikshanam devarshinaam cha narada gandharvanam chitraratah siddhanam kapilo muni. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. Anyone else wants to read? Anyone else still wants to read? Suraj, Moksha, Keshavi, Jagdish, Josh.
Yes, Mataji.
Anyone else wants to read with Suraj? Okay, Jagdish and Suraj, go ahead. Both of you, go ahead. Josh, please go ahead. Whoever wants to sing, please go ahead. Very good, very nice. You all are saying it very nice. Thank you, very nice. Anyone else still wants to say, or I'll go to the next one? Okay, you all can lower your hands now, and please repeat. Let me just lower all the hands. Please repeat. Uchchaishrava samashvanam. Uchchaishrava samashvanam. Vidhi mamrutodbhavam. Vidhi mamamrutodbhavam. Airatam gajendranam. Airavam gajendranam. Naranam cha naradhipam. Naranam cha naradhipam. We forgot to read the translation of the previous one. Can someone read it quickly who did not say the verse? Khushi, do you want to read? Who did not read? The verse?
Mataji, can Shreya say it?
Yeah, Shreya. Go ahead, Shreya.
Of all trees, I am the banyan tree, and of the sages among the demigods, I am Narada. Of the Gandharvas, I am
Gandharvas.
I am Chitranatha, and among perfected beings, I am sage Kaspi.
Yes. So this is the continuation of those previous 3 verses. Krishna is still answering to Arjuna about his opulences. Arjuna had asked him question, right? So how Krishna is saying again, he is the banyan tree of the trees. He is the Narada of all the demigods. He is the Chitraratha of Gandharvas, and he is the Kapila among perfected beings. So how he is explaining how he is at the best position of amongst all of this. And in continuation, we have this 27. So I think you all have already raised hands. I will just give you all a chance now, 1 minute. Samskruti, Mukund, Shreyash, and Ramachandra. 4 of you, please go ahead.
Yes, Mataji.
Others can raise hands. Okay?
Sarvam avashnam vidimam amritobhavam airvatam gajendranam. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Balram, Akshita, Janvi, do you want to say? And anyone else? Because I don't see any more hands raised. So, and Dhruva. Okay, 4 of you go ahead. Very good. Anyone else wants to read? Ojasvi. Okay. Did you say Ojasvi? No.
Yes, Mataji, I said.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, other shloka.
Oh, you didn't say this. Do you want to say this one?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Mokshit also has raised hand. Anyone else wants to read?
Balaram. Oh, never mind.
He's done already. So Ojasvi and Mokshit, go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. Uchaishrava sam ashvanam vidye mam amrito bhavam airavatam gajendranam naranam chanadipam.
Mokshit, did you say this?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very good. Anyone else wants to say this verse?
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes, Ramachandra.
Airavata is the carrier of elephant, but doesn't make sense that like also Gajendra is also the elephant too. So which one's elephant?
Gajendra is actually means elephant. So Gajendra,
Oh.
yes, of lordly elephants is written here, right?
Mataji, can Advait go?
Krishna is Airavat of all the elephants. What did someone say something?
Mataji, can Advait go?
Yes, Advait. Anyone else wants to go with Advait? Quickly. Those who did not say, you can still try.
Mataji, I said before, but I didn't say this sloka.
Yeah, go ahead. Who is that?
This is Suraj.
Yes, Oraj and Advait. Go ahead. And whoever wants to say, please go ahead with them.
Ashvanam
Airavatam
Naradipam. Very good. Rishikesh, do you want to read the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Of horses know me to be Uchaishrava, produced during the churning of the ocean for our lordly elephants. I am Airavata, and among men I am the monarch.
Yes. Monarch. Very good.
What does monarch mean?
Huh?
What does monarch mean?
Monarch, I'll have to see. Among men, I'm
Is it a butterfly? Yeah, I've heard of a monarch butterfly.
Yeah, but that doesn't go with
A monarch is like a king or a leader.
yeah,
it's some
a
sort
form
of
of government with a monarch at the head.
Yeah, but I will again still
Who says that?
wait. Okay. Kavya, did you want to say the verse? Because I think you did not. Shall we move ahead?
Do the translation.
Oh, translation is already done. Okay. Do you want to read the next one? This one is already done. So we will go to the next.
I didn't read anything.
Who's that?
Moksha, I want to read the translation.
Oh, okay. So Kavya, do you want to say this verse? This one or the next one? With everyone else? Is that okay?
Weapons, I am the thunderbolt.
Okay, let's Kavya, 1 minute. Let's read the translation first, verse first, okay? And then we'll read the translation. Okay. Ayudhanamaham vajram.
Ayudhanamaham vajram.
Ayudhanamaham vajram.
Ayudhanamaham vajram.
Dhenunam asmi kamaduk.
Dhenunam
Dhenunam asmi kamaduk.
Dhenunam asmi kamaduk.
Rajanaschasmi kandarpa. Rajanaschasmi kandarpa. Sarpanam asmi vasukihi. Sarpanam asmi vasukihi. Very good. So I will give you Now, Ojasvi, Mokshit, Advait, Kavya, you want to try this word, reading this verse?
Okay, Mataji.
Can you read this verse along with them, Kavya?
Ayudanam aham vajram.
Mokshit, Advait, Kavya, Samskriti, and Balram. Please go ahead.
Avyudanamaham vajram Jenunam asmikamad Parinashasmi kandarpa Sarpanam asmi vasuki. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I say the sloka?
Who is that?
Janvi.
Yes, Janvi, I'll give you. Kavya, did you say this verse?
Didn't get it.
Okay, you still need time to say it, right? Okay, no problem. Take your time. You will slowly get it, okay? No problem. So, Shreyash, Mukund, Akshita, Ramachandra, Janvi, please go ahead. Okay, very good. Rishikesh. Yes.
Mataji, can I go also with Rishikesh?
Yes, go ahead. Who's that?
Rai Prahlad.
Oh, Rai Prahlad. Go ahead. Rishikesh, Dhruva, and Rai Prahlad. Go ahead.
Ayudanam aham
Thank you, Mataji.
Anyone else wants to say this? Okay, so who wanted to read the translation?
Can I read it, Mataji?
Who is that?
Janvi.
Janvi. Okay, well, we will give chance to those who did not say the verse. Is that okay, Janvi? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, Janvi. So you all can lower your hands now. And okay, I think Moksha wanted to say this translation. Moksha, did you?
I did, but now I don't want to.
Mataji, can Advait say the translation?
Okay, wait. I think then we'll give it to Kavya because she did not get the verse.
Okay, Mataji.
To see the verse. Kavya, go ahead and read the translation, please. Kavya, can you read the translation? Can you unmute yourself?
Is it me, Mataji?
Yes. Go ahead. Read the translation.
The weapons I am the thunderbolt. Among coats I am the surabhi. Of causes for the procreation. I am Kandarpa, the god of love, and the serpents I'm Vasuki.
Yes, very nice. Thank you. So we will quickly move to our today's quality. How many qualities of Krishna?
Today's quality
Forbearing.
Forbearing.
forbearing. What's the meaning of forbearing?
I will tell you, okay? We will get to know it as and how we proceed. So we learned how many qualities so far?
About
23.
Yes. 23, all these qualities. And today's quality, 24th, is forbearing. And what does it mean? A person who tolerates all kinds of troubles, even though such troubles appear to be unbearable, is called forbearing. You got it? So some troubles, they are unbearable. but still who tolerates all those troubles is forbearing. But we can even say tolerant, right? Tolerant is also a word. So how it is different from tolerance? That we will say. Now here, I have given one example here, like how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is talking to Swarup Damodar and Ramananda Rai here. He's saying, listen Swarup and Ramananda, I tell you about the mental attitude with which the name should be recited. So here, the background is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling them the importance of, can you all please mute yourselves? So here the background is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling them the importance of chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in this age of Kali. So Hari's name should always be chanted by him who must be humbler than a blade of grass, which is trodden upon, who is more patient, forbearing, and charitable than a tree. So there is the word forbearing given here. Why is it given here forbearing? Because the tree is forbearing, it says, because it does not cry even when it is cut down, or it does not even beg for water even when scorched to death, but on the contrary offers its treasure to whosoever seeks it. So you understand the meaning of forbearing? No complaints, just bearing, even how much ever provoking the situation is.
Doesn't it say in the Shashtastakam number 3?
Yes. So which verse comes to your mind when we hear about this? Which recently learned with Nadapi Sunichena. Yes. The third one from the Shikshashtakam that says how you should be tolerant than the tree. So forbearing word is given here. So forbearing means to tolerate a situation even though it is a very difficult one to bear, but it is the right or wise thing to do. I mean, we are tolerating that situation and we know that is the right thing to do. And that's why they are tolerating. And Krishna is such forbearing. He has that quality. It also means to keep calm and being patient even when in the most provoking and distressed situation. So we see nowadays in Kali Yuga, it is so difficult when someone says something to us, we immediately speak back, right? Krishna calms down. He's always patient and he's quiet even though it's the most provoking situation. It also means to control yourself even when you feel like getting angry or giving up. That time you should control yourself. Being more tolerant than a tree is called Sahishnutva, which means forbearance. So you understood a little bit difference between tolerance and forbearing?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Little bit more higher level. You are being tolerant even when the situation is provoking, even when it is a very difficult situation. Okay, so forbearance, the practical example will be that we follow Ekadashi, right? We fast on Ekadashi. Some would fast without grains and beans, right? Everyone will do that, but they eat other food which is allowed for fasting. Some would just eat fruits, some would just eat milk, and some would just drink water. And some would even do nirjala, right? They will not even drink water. But it is such a difficult thing, right? When whoever is following nirjala ekadashi all the time, don't you think it is a very difficult thing to do?
Yeah.
But at the same time, it is a right thing to do, right? Because that austerity will really help you. The result which you will get spiritually will really help you, right? It gives you great benefits. And that is called forbearance. Of course, the fasting should be done as per your health conditions also. But this is just an example which gives you more clarity about forbearance. So everyone is clear now with this? Doing something difficult, but you know that it is right thing to do. So let's see how Krishna is forbearing through his pastimes. So Krishna and Balram, as we all know, they were studying in Sandipani Muni's ashram, right? And although they were the source of all knowledge, we know that knowledge comes from them, but still they were playing like ordinary human boys. Why? to set an example that everyone would should receive knowledge from the right source. Everyone should have a spiritual master, and we should take knowledge from them. That's the example they wanted to set. So they agreed to take knowledge from a spiritual master, and they both went to ashram for Guruvas. Guruvas means staying with the Guru. Where was the ashram? In Avantipur. And they paired with so many hardships that time when they were learning all these arts and science and everything they were learning. They were very young at that time, right? And they had delicate bodies also. For children, actually, those are like very, very hardships. Like that was like very difficult sometimes. But still, they would do that just because of the devotion they had for their guru. And they knew that that was the right thing to do. So bearing some hardships, even though it's difficult, just by thinking that it is the right thing to do. And also it is said that it is the nature of such Mahatmas or Uttamalokas that they don't even feel like they are taking up any hardships. They just go through it because it is quite natural for them.
Mataji, doing easy stuff gives a small result. Doing hard stuff gives a huge result.
Yes, very good. Who's that?
Moksha.
Very good, Moksha. Very nice. And see, Krishna is not even feeling that he is doing some hardship. He's doing it from his heart for the devotion of his guru. And that's why it has become easy for him, or it becomes natural for him. It is his nature to do it. And that sometimes this quality we also see in Krishna's devotees also, right? So actually I have listed down the learnings which Krishna and Balaram would do in Sandipani Muni's ashram. And those are some of those things are so interesting. Some of them even we would do in our childhood. You know, you must be doing many of these in your childhood. But many of them are so interesting. What I will do, we will first go to the next pastimes. And when we have time in the end, we will go through all these learnings which Krishna and Balaram would do in Sandipani Muni's ashram. And they are so wonderful activities. So once when we all know that, right? Sudama also went to see Krishna in Dwarka, and how Krishna was welcoming Sudama so nicely, and he gave him a seat and he offered water and everything to him. And Sudama stayed there for a night, and then next day, like how Krishna was continuing to talk to him as a friend. Like, yes.
I have a question. This whole session is all about like how Krishna appreciates his devotees.
It's about how Krishna is forbearing, how he's bearing. Yes, it's about his quality. Like how here in Sandipani Muni's ashram, how Krishna had this quality of forbearing. Even though he was so young, he would do so many difficult things. But because of the devotion they had for his guru. And then in continuation to that, when Sudama comes to see Krishna, see how Krishna is talking to Sudama here. My dear friend, I think you remember our activities during the days when we were living as a student. So Sudama was also there with them, right? In Sandipani Muni's ashram. So you may remember that once we went to collect fuel from the forest on the order of the Guru's wife.
Sorry, Mataji, but how old was Krishna at that time?
He must be was very young.
8?
Probably 6, 7, probably. How old was Krishna when he was young?
Or 9?
But she cannot say. She has to log out and log in again. So he must be 6, 7, but I will confirm it, okay? So while collecting, he's talking to Sudama, that he's asking him, do you remember we went to collect the fuel from the forest because Sandipani Muni's wife had told them to get it. So while collecting the dried wood, we entered the dense forest and by chance became lost. So when they went to the forest, they were lost. There was an unexpected dust storm and then clouds and lightning in the sky and the explosive sound of thunder. So suddenly there was a storm there. Then sunset came and we were lost in the dark jungle. So who is telling all this?
Krishna to Sudama.
Krishna is telling Sudama, do you remember this had happened? And after this, there was severe rainfall. The whole ground was overflooded with water, and we could not trace out the way to return to our Guru's ashram. So they were completely lost in that forest. There was a storm, windstorm.
Mataji, how did they get back home in the afternoon?
Yes, so that's what he's telling him later. And then what happened? On account of the dust storm and the heavy rain, we began to feel greatly pained. They were in pain, and whichever direction we turned, we were bewildered. So they could not go back at all. In that distressed condition, we took each other's hand and tried to find our way out. So they were there for each other. We passed the whole night in that way. The whole night they were just looking for the way back. And early in the morning, when our absence became known to our Gurudev, then in the morning, Gurudev got to know, Sandipani Muni got to know that these both kids are missing. So he sent his other disciple to search us out. He sent his disciples to look for them. He also came with them. He also went. And when they reached us in the jungle, they found us very much distressed. So they finally found them in the jungle. But this pastime shows how Krishna was forbearing whatever came to his way, and he was just doing it because he knew that that was the right thing to do, how much ever hard it was. So after that, Gurudev was very much pleased with them, and he told them that everyone likes to actually take care of the body first. But you are so good and faithful to your Guru that without caring for bodily comforts, you have taken so much trouble for me. So here Sandipani Muni himself is telling that you have actually taken so much trouble for me. And he is so much pleased, and he is then blessing them, both of them. So you see the result? Result is good, right? It's a great result they got because they knew that that was the right thing to do, although it was difficult. So that is forbearing.
Mataji,
Yes.
why is this picture looks very weird?
Which one?
The 15th slide.
This one?
Yeah.
So you know this pastime?
No, Mataji.
Oh, yeah, it's Krishna.
No, Mataji.
Shishupal.
I don't know, Mataji.
So you all know, right, how Shishupal was blaspheming Krishna when the Rajasuya Yagya was going on. Because Yudhishthir and Sahadev and everyone else, they had agreed to have Krishna as the to worship him as the first of to offer him first worship in the Rajasuya Yagya. But Shishupal was the one who did not agree, and he was blaspheming Krishna like anything. He was telling so many bad things about Krishna, but Krishna was quiet. He did not say a word. Why? Because he had given a promise to his mother. Do you all know this?
Yes.
Yeah. So actually, Shishupal was. Everyone knows this. That how
I don't know.
Krishna had given a promise.
Yes, Mataji.
Because Shishupal was actually, when he was born, he had 3 eyes and 4 hands.
And then Sky said to the mother that
Yes.
if whoever's hands you put him into, and his 3 eyes
Actually, his mother and father were going to abandon him, but the voice came and they said that no, please don't abandon him. He will be killed by someone who is very powerful and strong, and that person is already born. So then they announce that, and they invite all the kings, and they say that the voice says that you keep him on the lap of that person, and then his eyes and extra eye and hands will disappear. So they call out all the kings, and they try to keep him on keep the Shishupal on their laps. But
By the way, Mataji, happy Ugadi.
Happy Yugadi, happy Gudi Padwa.
Gudi Padwa.
So this because he had given promise to Shishupal's mother, Krishna was forbearing everything whatever Shishupal was saying. But when there was disagreement in the Rajasuya Yagya, then Krishna actually took the step and killed Shishupal because that was the sign of inauspiciousness. He did not want to have any inauspiciousness, so he killed Shishupal. But until then, until 100 times were over, like Krishna was just bearing everything, whatever Shishupal was telling him. So this is again another pastime which shows the quality of Krishna as, what is the quality we learned today?
Forbearing.
There. Mataji, it's also the where he lifted the Govardhan and he Indra for doing all of that.
Mataji, when is
Anyone?
cooking class, Mataji?
No, we don't have cooking class today. We have craft class. Cooking class is shifted tomorrow, I think. I think Padma Sakhi Mataji must be here, right, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, she's there.
Oh, okay, Mataji.
This is Dina Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Dina Krishna. So Dina Krishna is going to teach today?
No, Mataji, my mom will teach.
Okay. So thank you all so much. Thank you, Haj.
Bye, Mataji.
Mataji ki.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, why are some people leaving?
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, why are some people leaving?
Hare Krishna, don't leave. We have very nice art class. We are going to draw something. You're going to
Still we have many of them.
Kalpa because Mataji is leaving, not because
we have 2 sessions in every class. Sometimes the same teacher continues for the second session. Sometimes we have other teacher coming in. So we said bye-bye to one teacher. We welcome another teacher here. Okay, today we have art class by Padma Sakhi.
Padma Sakhi.
Hare Krishna. I'm seeing you on Tuesday.
Hare Krishna.
We have cooking session tomorrow. This is a last minute change. Radharani Mataji had some other commitment, so I had to come to teach you today.
Mataji, do you know what we're making tomorrow?
Huh?
You know what we're making tomorrow?
I know.
What are you making?
What is it?
Mataji sent in the group, right? Bread rasmalai.
Bread rasmalai.
Bread rasmalai.
Mataji, is there any way to replace bread? My mom never stopped bringing bread because it's bad for me.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't suit me either. Yeah, maybe you can ask Mataji. Maybe we can make puri. Like pal puri, there's one recipe, right? Milk puri. Maybe puri.
My mom makes bread.
Yeah, but for some, bread doesn't suit Ramachandra. That's what he's saying. Some are not good. They with yeast and gluten. It doesn't suit.
Yeah, and Mataji, this is Suraj. My mom thinks that bread is bad for me due to a few reasons. So I don't think I can make it.
It's okay. No problem. Okay, so you all get a paper and pencil. We will do nice, cute Rama, Sita, Lakshman and Ravan. Okay?
Now I'm
Lord Ram as my background.
Yes, so we will start. See, I'll show you the picture. We will do this.
I can't see it.
Wow, so cute, Mataji.
Very cute.
I will enjoy. Can they go get the paper?
That looks a little weird.
Do we need separate papers, Mataji?
Yes, I took a white paper. See? So first what? Quickly get an eraser.
Can you wait? I need to get a paper and a pencil.
Okay, I will wait for 2 minutes. Go get paper, pencil. See, you know what? I was not prepared because you have cooking session, but Mataji had some other important work. So what happened? She called me. Then I was like, I have only for 1 hour. What will I do? Because I think, so I take long time to think before I come up with what to teach. But I was searching and I found this. I felt it so cute. And anyways, Ram Navami is coming, right? So this is the best thing.
In Madhava class, they're making like week-long ones.
They're making what?
I think they're making Shiva or something.
Okay. Okay, so take a paper. First we are drawing the face. Oh, I wish I can show it. Can you go get the
Mataji, do the screenshot and send it to groups, Mataji, please.
in the
WhatsApp group, please.
no, Mataji, just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll send it in the group also. Just give me a minute.
But you can also finish it and show it.
Or you can just take another device and just log in on YGM.
Mataji, I have a sharp pencil. Is that fine?
Yes. It's fine. Pencil eraser is fine. Later you can color it.
Mataji,
I
I don't have any pencils, so can I don't have an eraser here, I'll go get one.
For sure, please go and get it.
I only have
Mataji is there.
pen, Mataji, so later I can make another one with a pen.
Sure, Keshavi, no problem.
Good.
Mataji, I searched up on Google that when Krishna took a school, but it said that Krishna went to Sandipani Muni's ashram and took the learning after he killed Kamsa, which doesn't make sense.
It's because you searched it on Google.
Yeah.
I know, that's the problem. You searched it on Google.
Well, Google's most of the times correct.
Joining from another device.
Sure, Mataji. I'll give you a co-host.
You know the word Google came from goo? Like when a baby says goo goo. No, it didn't. I know.
Mataji, can I be spotlighted?
Yes.
From the second device. Hare Krishna, Ojasvi.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Okay. So we will draw this, okay?
Mataji, what if we don't have enough time to make all of them, Mataji?
No, we will make quickly. You're all smart. I am assuming we can make. We have time till 8:30, right, today?
Mataji,
No. Today we have new sessions of Bhagavad Gita, right? 7:20. I can give.
I think a full chapter today.
Okay, at least we'll write. Maybe we'll make Ram and Sita.
and Lakshman. And also.
Okay. So we'll just make a circle for Ram. Space.
Amma.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Your eraser.
It's going to be anime?
No. I'm just giving the shape. So after that, you can just bring his face like that. After you make a circle, you're going to just see. You are erasing the top. Make it like an apple. And then when you bring this face.
Mataji, I'm using a pen, so I can't erase it.
It's good to use pencil, right? Or you can directly draw this shape.
Here, have this pencil.
Oh, I found Mataji.
Okay. So like this. So you just bring the circle. So that's how we actually draw, right? Bring a circle, and then you just bring like that. And then you do like this.
Sketching, Mataji.
Okay. So after that, we finish that, right? So then you give the body. Undundine Krishna. I'll give you later. So then you will do like this. Like 2, not like 11. Go do lesson 1, pronouns. Okay? Thank you.
Are we only drawing? Mataji, cut sun and best brains.
Okay, so like this, okay? Then
Can we also cut, Mataji?
Dine Krishna, wait, Baba.
Can we cut?
Yeah, like that.
Can we also make them into puppets?
Yes, you can. You can cut them. You can increase the size and make them into puppets.
I'm going to make a puppet show and send it in the group.
Wonderful. I'm seeing and drawing, so I'm having mistakes here and there because I'm holding phone on one side.
Mataji, you can just ask.
No, it's okay, Jagannath. I don't need, please. You. I'm more comfortable when I hold it myself.
Mataji, you can just ask. Mataji.
Okay, so this is. So did you all finish till here?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so now then we will go do hair. Okay. So we know how to do hair, right? You just go like that and you just put like a ball like that. And then you just bring hair. Okay.
Can you also draw Ravan?
And you bring the beads here. And then Lord Ram's dress like that. Are you all done till here?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Now here,
I'm
here
gonna
to
do this tomorrow because my papers are in the under room and my mom is sleeping. I don't want to disturb.
Saripo. It's okay.
I'll do the night with you when we're sleeping.
So see, these are the. He's holding the.
No, but they put it different.
Dara. Undu nanna.
But they put oval too. Arrows. Look.
Yes. So this is. Are you all done till here?
No, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, then whoever is done, you can start with the eyes.
Or tilak. Mataji, I make those eyes for everything.
Yeah, and inside the eye, you just keep a small circle and you just don't do the black shade inside that circle. Then they look like realistic eyes when you don't shade that inside. Okay.
Can I do
for
the
nose you can do however you like, but I'm just doing like this. And Deen Krishna, don't shake.
Are you drawing Lakshman?
You're shaking my drawing, Deenu.
That's Lakshman. That's Ram. No, that's Lakshman.
Deen Krishna. No, that's Ram. Ram.
Then why will Ram have like
Mataji?
that?
Can we do the mouth a little different?
Yes, you can do mouth different, eyes different, nose different.
Mataji, can we do the tilak different? Mataji, I have a small question.
No, you can put only this kind of tilak. You can't put another tilak.
Mataji, I've got a question.
No, Mataji, it's because at first you didn't put the Tulsi part of the tilak, right?
No,
So
I was putting.
Yeah,
No,
I
I
didn't
was
see you put it, that's why.
Mataji, can I ask you something?
Who is that?
Moksha.
Yes, Moksha.
My question is, can we add back hair like he has long hair at the back?
You can do. That's what I'm saying. You can do however you want to change.
Make them puppets.
As long as you can keep little bit longer hair till here. No problem. Okay. Are you done? We'll go to Sita. Mother Sita.
Can I do it?
Mataji, how about the legs?
No legs. These are like cartoons.
Oh.
Like puppet. Actually, these are puppets. You can cut them and put a stick.
Mataji.
So, Mataji, no hands either?
No hands either. These are like, as I said, these are puppets. Actually, this is puppet drawing. For puppets, you can cut them. Small kids can cut and...
You cut.
Lord Ram frowning. He's a little sad.
He's not frowning. See, if you look at his mouth, he's smiling.
You can't see Mataji.
He looks. Mataji, can I show you mine?
Please.
We will finish Sita and then we will see, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, now Mother Sita.
And also Lakshman and Ravan too.
Undu Nana. So Mother Sita is...
Are you gonna do Ravana or no?
I don't know. I don't think we have time, but we will try to draw, okay? We'll be quick. So Mother Sita, it starts like this. And then, can you draw? That's the hair part. And then here comes earrings, 2 circles. And underneath you can do like, you do a proper like that. And then, are you done till here? And then from here, you do the top portion like that, and then come down.
And you can draw flowers there.
Yeah, you can draw flowers here. I'm being little bit fast because I have to show. Oh, I think this.
Mataji, we can only see Rama.
Sorry. Dina Krishna.
I'm not moving. I'm just holding you. Yeah, I can.
Oh no,
I can hold it.
Thank you, Dina Krishna. Atla pike pettu konchu pike. Okay, so the body is again same like how we did for Ram.
Mataji, does Sita have any like extras like Ram has the bow? I mean the arrow?
No, she doesn't have anything like that.
Okay. But does Lakshman have it?
Yeah, Lakshman have it.
Mataji, is it okay if you send like the photo of
Yes,
the...
I will send.
Mataji, can we have bangles?
We are not drawing hand. Who is asking? So cute. Who is that?
Bangles, I think.
Mataji, can we have bangles? Yes. If you want to put hands, you can extend it. You always
Mataji,
come up
when
with...
I mean the photo, can you put like the photo of the of your phone, like where you found the pictures?
You want me to send in the group?
Yeah.
Yes, I will. That's what Abhinita Gandharvika Mataji was asking.
Now put a flower garland.
Oh, when you said photos, I thought you were talking about like the ones you're drawing.
No. I will send this and I will send that also. Whenever I take it,
Okay, thank you,
if I find something in Google, I will send you.
Mataji, can we just do a dot with the bindi?
Yes, you can do however you like. Who is that? Who is talking?
I think Moksha.
Not Moksha.
Mataji, can you say Sita Marani?
Oh, sorry. Dina Krishna, hold properly, Nana. Wait.
Mataji, I think it's Juba.
Why are you making so small? Make them into puppets.
We are just showing them, right? Later you can make puppets, okay? Tomorrow.
I don't know how to cut.
I
No,
will.
we can do it today.
We'll make very big and you can use them as puppets.
No, don't make them. We can also cut like this. And we can put a stick for each one. The glue.
Wait.
And how about we can also put legs?
Huh?
Put legs.
Are you all done?
Mataji, we have 3 more minutes, right?
Mataji, you forgot the nose for Sita.
Yeah. Yes. Wait.
There is no nose for Sita.
No, but you can put it there. You can always.
Mataji, can we please add the back part with like that cloth that goes at the back of
Yes, I said this is the basic. You can do however you like. No problem. Now we are going to Ravana first. Because anyways, Lakshman would be similar to Ram. So first we will draw Ravan. Lakshman, you also can draw. So Ravan is first.
Mataji, you're going to draw 10 heads?
No. That's what I said. If you can, please do that.
Are we gonna draw Hanuman too or no?
No, we don't have that much time.
There is no Hanuman.
Right now, Mataji right now looks like an owl.
You'll see how it looks. Now it looks like a mouth. A fox mouth. It looks like a fox mouth.
I can't even see it.
Sorry. See, as I said, I'm holding and I'm drawing. Sometimes it's moving.
Then I can hold it.
No, you're not holding properly.
Okay, I promise I'll hold it.
You're shaking.
I won't. No one sees that. I don't shake. See?
Patko, sir, you hold it. You're shaking, Dina.
Then why are you doing that?
Mataji, it doesn't look like Ravana at all.
He will look when you finish. He will look. You see.
Is the head?
Yeah. So this is the face that we drew. So from here, now what we'll do is his hair will come.
I want to make Ravan look so ugly.
Who is that?
What do you do?
What was he saying? What was Mukund?
He was saying that I'll make Ravan ugly.
Okay.
Because he's a demon. And maybe with horns also.
Horns? Mataji, I'm gonna add horns like Mukund. Or maybe we can.
But I heard somewhere that Ravan was also beautiful.
What? It's kind of wiggly. Oh, yeah.
Krishna, see, you're wiggling. Why are you wiggling like that?
Okay, fine. Now can you see? Yeah. How did you raise the thing?
Because I need first to draw the eye, then we can.
Mataji, can we draw mustache?
Yeah, Ravan is going to have a big mustache now.
He's going to have a mustache that stretches 10 feet across his from his mouth.
And then we draw the mouth. Mataji, can we draw red eyes?
Yes, you can color.
Well, you can color.
The body is same.
Should we draw him angry? He always looks angry.
He's angry.
Eyebrows for each of them.
What?
We need eyebrows. We can add eyebrows, right?
Yeah, you can add eyebrows too, yes.
But there is no eyebrows.
No, that's what I'm saying.
You can add.
Yeah, if you want, you can add.
We can also do Lakshman if we have time. Wait, Mataji, can you show Ravan?
Dina Krishna, undamma, undu.
This one.
I have a very 10 feet long big mustache.
Demons grow horns out of their heads.
No, but Ravan was like a human only, right? He doesn't have horns.
No, like what if, but like in the olden day, like when Rama was living, was there demons with horns?
If they want, they can take some other form, but actually Ravan doesn't have horns, right?
Yeah, but I drew some horns, so I'm gonna take the horns off.
Okay, so we will. Are you done? Everybody's done?
Now we draw Lakshman. Mataji, can we make Lakshman?
Yes, we will make Lakshman.
But we'll put
Mataji, we have Lakshman. Is there Hanuman?
No, Hanuman, we will not have time. If you finish Lakshman, say it's 8:20 or 8:18.
Lakshman is the same as Ram, right? Like how you draw it?
Little bit face, we have to show difference, right? So, little different.
It's 8:20. Hanuman by ourselves.
Yes, you can draw Hanuman by yourself. That's a good idea. Please draw.
Because then you need to have help.
Or we can watch how to draw him.
But just puppets of them. Or you don't need to. Mataji, Lalita Mataji gave me like a kind of book where there's like Hanuman coloring sheet.
No. Yeah, I did. 5:15. Yeah, what were you doing for 4 minutes? What were you doing for 4 minutes? Huh? What?
Somebody.
How about Amma's calling you?
Who is talking?
Varun, can you mute?
Oh, non.
Thanks, Varun.
Mataji, it's 5:20.
Done.
Almost. Done. It's coming like a mustache.
No, I was looking at what message came. And
Looking like a mustache.
Mataji, can we add the same thing as Rama has on his forehead?
yes.
Mataji, your Lakshman looks budgie.
Why do you add the lines?
No, he's laughing.
Can you see
Why do
this?
you add the lines? You don't need to add the lines.
Dina Krishna kasepu undu.
Can you see this?
Hanuman.
Vrinda will draw this.
You Mataji, send that in group. If any kid want to draw, they will draw.
Yeah, sure, Mataji, I'll send it.
Mataji, I drew for Ravan, I drew crowns. I drew a crown with
Mataji, you're like, I'm not trying to like offend you or anything, but your Lakshman looks like Madhumanga.
What is the little bit?
No. Yeah. Dina Krishna shaked. As I said, I'm holding in one hand and I'm drawing, right?
Then give it to me.
No, you're shaking a lot.
I won't shake.
I'm not able to see
I'll
properly.
draw crowns for draw crowns.
Sharvaku kaamga undu kasepu.
One's doing the pencil. I'll draw crowns for Robin.
No, Nana.
We can if you want.
They're all in that dress, mendicant's dress.
I want to because I pick what I want to do.
Because you pick when you are drawing, not when others are drawing.
No, I want to do. Playing cricket.
Dina Krishna, your little hands look so.
Mataji, I drew a crown with horns.
Dino.
Mataji, I drew a crown with horns for Ravan.
Kasepu kaamga undu. Oh, very nice. You send in group. Dina Krishna, I want you to wait till we are done. Okay?
I'll draw this again. I know how to draw. And I'll also use here.
Okay.
Is anybody done?
Another 1 minute, Mataji. Adults are done. Class.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji,
Is anybody done? Can you please? If anybody's done, I can see.
I'm done. This is Jahnavi. I'm done.
Very good.
Jahnavi, can you show? I'm seeing you.
Drawing
Can
is
you
so
show?
nice.
Mataji, Moksha's done.
Wow, Rishikesh, look at his Hanuman. Very nice.
She's so nice.
Done.
Okay, photo pedam. Group lo pedam.
Kushi, very done. Please send in the group. Don't forget,
very good and
so that other kids. Jahnavi, good job. Rishikesh, good job. Send it in the group. Akshita, very nice.
Spotlight.
I like Radha. Akshita, I like Radharani's that veil. Very nice.
Mataji, Moksha.
Thank you, Mataji.
Shreya, very good. Wow, very nice.
Mataji, this is Moksha speaking.
Everybody is done, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Spotlight me, I want to show you.
Oh, Moksha, Mataji, can you spotlight Moksha?
Okay, Moksha, where are you, Moksha? Okay, I can see you, Moksha.
I can see her. Yes, Moksha, very nice.
Moksha, so nice.
Beautiful.
So nice.
Look at Ravan's crown. You can do that.
That crown, I really loved it.
He really looks like Ravan now. Very nice. His crown is having horns. That's good.
Thank you, everybody. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha Hindu bhyeva patitanam pavanebhyo.
Moksha, send in the group. Others will can see.
Bye bye, kids. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.